Alrighty, everybody. Welcome to the stream today. I will say the market is holding up quite well so far. It's actually not doing too bad here. You know, the SPY is open a little bit. We're not really seeing any explosions necessarily, but we're not seeing any crazy pullbacks to the downside or anything like that either. But I'm really watching these stocks here today. There's just a lot of crazy movement going on, and I just can't believe, like, kind of where some of these stocks are opening up at. You know, like we're seeing some pretty crazy stuff here coming in. I'm really just waiting across the board here. Let me know if you guys see any stocks moving today. We can check those out. There's a lot of stocks moving that I've been waiting to go up, like FedEx, for example. UPS is starting to move. SPY is actually falling back off, I noticed, if you guys saw that. But the banks are flying up, like Bank of America, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. All those guys are, you know, doing quite well here, at least at market open. So pretty crazy as far as that goes. Let's see what we got here going, though. Man, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, JP Morgan. All right. Really need like some volatility to start coming in here. I don't know about you guys, but that SPY has been just having so much issues picking a solid direction and actually moving up lately. It's just been very stagnant, very stuck in this range. I've had this range drawn out for a few days here. It's brutal here. Yeah, poor SPY though. It's just not what you really want to see. My watch list is okay, but then I just have like almost all the growth stocks are bad, like Zoom, ChargePoint, Asana, stocks like let me get this dumb thing off here. Zoom, ChargePoint, Asana, XPEV. Let's see what else do we have moving down. AMC, Palantir. Poor Palantir. I was hoping that one would be up, but Delta Airlines. Yeah, even airlines are falling down. So not good, but as far as stocks going up, we do have some doing pretty well. Like Bed Bath & Beyond, for example, is up. I saw Best Buy was up with their earnings. CCJ is up a little bit. X or US Steel's moving. So in some of these cases, it's actually looking okay today. Like ExxonMobil, Kroger. You know, that's a stock that's been crazy lately. KR. I know Keisha's probably already typed that one in the chat. Yeah, she did. She has KR and Chewy there. That's funny. Chewy. I should have guessed that one too. Yeah, Chewy's actually not opening up very good today. You know, I'm surprised actually. It's not the best open so far, but you know, it could always turn around a little bit here. Yeah, and J&J. 100%. 176.86. Yeah, J&J looks great. Actually, one of the better ones out of the ones we were naming, in my opinion. Yeah, not bad there. Okay. Take some positivity today. How's GLD, Corbin says? Actually, not bad. I like it. I kind of like the setup here on GLD. It's looking pretty decent. Starting to turn like back to the upside a little bit. I think that that's a pretty good thing to see right here so far. You know, not bad. Yeah, I kind of like that little turnaround, actually. It almost looks like on the daily chart, like GLD could be a good play back to the upside for a few days. Man, I like the setup on it. I love it when I love the setups, but it's just hard to pull the trigger on GLD. Gold is so volatile. You got to play it off of the dollar. We got to hope that dollar goes back down with gold. That's the issue. That's the issue with the dollar. Yeah, we really need the dollar starting to fall back down so the gold can go up. And I feel like today that's been happening, but we kind of need that to continue to happen over the next few days or so. You know, like we can't keep going back on this little uptrend with the dollar. That's just not good for gold. It's honestly not good for the market either. Probably part of the reason why the market's just staying like stagnant here so far today. Yeah, GLD though turned back up for us. We'll take it. Don't forget about GC. That's the gold futures for anyone interested in, seeing the more actual price of gold. Now, keep in mind, this is not the spot price of gold, which would be like what you get paid it for in real life, but this is the futures, which is generally, pretty close. Pretty close. Man, did you guys see that bad news from DraftKings yesterday where some people got hacked? I think we mentioned that a little bit during the stream. Yeah, we did. And yeah, some people got hacked. Ended up not being good for DraftKings. Yeah, obviously not good though if your customers get hacked, but they said that they are actually investigating it, so I'm curious to see what happens with this, but definitely not good news. And it's just not good, especially just because there's just so much going on with the stock. Like you can't have stuff like this going on when the stock is hurting this bad. Like it's just, oh, come on. No hacking stuff. Like that sounds like something someone put out just to try to hurt their stock or something. Like yeah, like sounds insane. I just don't think that like one person's account losing like, 1,500 bucks or something is worth the whole stock falling down 4%. I maybe it is. I don't know. It was just one weird case, but I'm sure there's been a few cases, but we'll have to see kind of like what they come up with, and who knows, maybe they have a big issue, and they very well might. That's a bad issue to have if that's your issue. Spy struggling to break pre-market high, Square says. Let's see. What is the pre-market high today? Yeah, pre-market high is right around 396.80. I can see, yeah, exactly. Had a lot of trouble there. 100% it did. There is some support right here around 395.50, which is good. Intraday from yesterday, that acted as like a bit of resistance for us. So I wonder if that would maybe act as a bit of support here. That would be nice. Very, very nice. There's just no volume today. Just kind of still staying in this little range. Look at that SPY dipping back down again to 395. Damn. These levels are holding up as being very big resistances here. Yeah, it looks like that 396.50 area is seriously big up there. Another rejection. Not good. Sending the growth stocks flying down. Look at poor Zoom since earnings. Like, geez, man. AI is down. Zoom, Peloton, Fastly, FSLY. Thank you for that one. JD. Damn. Hey, at least I saw Coinbase was up this morning a little bit. That's one cool stock that I noticed was up. It's coming back now, but it was up. Oxy, look at X. X actually isn't bad, guys. Check out X or US Steel. I talked about this in last night's video, and hey, it's not doing bad. You know, we'll take it. All right. Yeah, X had a very nice breakout today. That's a really cool move to see. Look at that daily chart. Looking good. Yeah, looking good here. Starting to come to the upside in a good way. I mean, is this one a play? That's the question. There's no volume on some of these options today that I'm looking at. Like FDX has like no options. US Steel has better options though. I will admit that. US Steel has better options. That is a really good move today though. Check out those metals. That might be a bit of like a hidden gem here in this type of market. For sure. Good old X here. But yeah, let me know what you guys are watching for this morning. Let me know if you guys see anything crazy going on. You know, this is going to be a short week here. Don't forget to smash that like button. But yeah, we're going to be off on Thursday, and then we're going to have a half day Friday. So I should be here for the live stream on Friday. I do have a golf tournament Friday at some point, but I don't know what time actually it's at. I don't know what time that's at, but I should be able to be here for the live stream, especially at open. So we'll be all good as far as that goes. But Square says SQQQ looks like it's gonna break high after run. Bad for SPY. Have a nice good day, guys, and good luck. Yeah, for sure, Square, 100%. Yeah, if SQQQ breaks, I mean that's gonna mean SPY's flying down. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully the SPY holds and bounces back up, but I don't know. It's kind of 50-50 here with I think with how this one's gonna go. But yeah, don't forget to smash that like button if you guys are enjoying your stream though so far this morning. We're not really seeing anything too crazy across the market. There is bad drops going on with Zoom. I see Beyond Meat falling off in a big way as well. PayPal is flying down again. So there is some moves that are very questionable today as far as good movement. You know, it's just a lot of plays are to the downside. There are some plays up. Like I said, Coinbase was on fire and seems like it actually caught some good momentum today, which is interesting. X is good. They're looking fire. CVX is good. Oxy's okay. But yeah, X is looking really, really good, guys. Check that one out. I really think US Steel is being underrated here, but what a crazy move on the daily. I would expect at least a little bit more of a move. Maybe up to like 26 or something, you know? That could be pretty plausible, pretty doable. What do you guys think? 26? Maybe 26 here? I think so. Somewhere like that. Let's get back to that SPY, though. Check it out. Still just staying flat. It is coming back up intraday, though. We'll take that little intraday pop. Not too bad. Yeah, not bad at all, actually. Okay. Let's go see good old LVS here. Hopefully we can get some good movement coming out of some of these stocks. I think we can. I think we can get some good movement coming out of these. Alrighty, Palantir. Getting some green coming back into the market. Definitely not bad. Come on. Let's get some positive momentum back. DraftKings is kind of falling back off. I don't know if you guys are looking for puts or not, but honestly, intraday, this one kind of looks good for puts. Looks pretty good for a put play. Hate to say that for DraftKings because I love them, but man, it just looks brutal here. Man, look at Zoom just continuing down today too, all the way down to 72 now. Let's see that daily chart. Oh my gosh. Zoom is almost nearing support at 70. Man, I was not thinking that they'd get even close to 70 on support. I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now. Honestly, that's really insane. Yeah, there's Home Depot. Somebody talked about this one in the Discord this morning. Yeah, Home Depot is on fire. I know I talked about this a little bit in a few of the videos. I know that I actually, at one point, said it was one of my favorite plays, but that doesn't always mean that it always works out, of course, but it was cool, though. You know, good to see Home Depot moving like that. Like to see it. It's a great breakout, though, guys. Just fantastic. Fan-bloody-tastic. Here's lows here right around the 5-minute. Got right to like 210 here at resistance. Yeah, right around 210. I'm going to put that there. Looks like it's definitely popping up today, though. Let's see that daily chart. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, lows. I just don't know if I can make a play on this one. You know, it has that big wick all the way up to 221. It's just kind of sitting around 211, you know, not really getting much going here. I don't know what to make of this one, personally. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure I like it too much. Good old lows. Let's see. Palantir. Poor Palantir. Square, maybe. Do you guys think Square will see a support bounce here over the next couple days or not? You know, we're going to be approaching some pretty big levels here, like specifically like right around 60 or 59. You know, I don't know about you guys, but $60 even seems like it might be a pretty big level for Square. I don't know. You know, it's been going down for like a week straight. Maybe this would be a good support play, guys. I mean, maybe we're coming on to something here, you know? I think we might be coming on to something. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it's definitely down a lot today, though. What's the number? Down 2.28%. It's not like it's down a ton. It's just down a little bit, but just enough to piss you off, I'd say. Kraft Heinz had a decent pop today. Right back to resistance again. That's good. McDonald's was trying. Coca-Cola's up. What about Pepsi? Yeah, Pepsi. Guys, you just can't go wrong with these fucking value stocks like Coke and Pepsi and oh man, they just never stop. It's kind of funny. FedEx is looking good. I mean, I want to get into this one too, but the damn options have no volume today. So stupid. Across every call on FedEx's chain right now, there's like 12 total volume across every call on the January expiration. Like, come on, FedEx. It's just not the play if the options suck. X is still looking great though. $25.30 popping to the upside, still looking solid, guys. I mean, I still think this one's a great play. It might not go up too much more today, considering it's already up 3.3%. But I will say though, this one is it's a mover. Sometimes this thing can go on some crazy runs, and it's really breaking out. I mean, this was a good break here, right above 24.85, and then even above 25 now. It's pretty good. DLTR tanked, Keisha said. Dollar Tree, it did. They kind of lost on earnings, didn't they? Yeah, they didn't do the best here. That's too bad. That is too bad. Let's see this trend line here. Was this something that would have held up? Kinda. That is a bad drop down, though. Yeah, it's pretty brutal for poor Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. There we go. So we had DKS, Best Buy, and Baidu. How's DKS? I didn't check this one today. Yeah, it's not too bad, actually. Hey, good morning, Saram. Good morning, Krish. Thank you guys for joining up. And, of course, thanks, everybody, for joining up. I appreciate that. Pretty good day so far. You know, it's a very short week, though, so we have to keep that in mind. But so far, SPY is just staying very, very choppy, not really getting too much movement. There is a support here around 395, so like maybe you could play a support play back to the upside if you're looking for the market to bounce back up. But other than that, I think we're kind of just like waiting around right now. Apple had a bad drop today at market open. That was a pretty bad drop to see. Same thing with Microsoft. Same thing with Tesla. We'll just say this. There's been a lot of bad stocks, a lot of bad movement today. Amazon's going down, Saram said. Yeah. Oh, you did? Okay. Yeah, it's definitely going down, though, Amazon is. That's too bad. Thanks for letting me know, though, Saram. That's really cool. I know Amazon has been on a bad downtrend lately and kind of actually recently confirmed off of a nice level right around 100 to 104. So, yeah, keep Amazon on the radar. Definitely not looking the best here. Looks pretty tough, actually. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Give me 1 second to grab a quick drink. Got a orange Gatorade here for the morning. Alrighty, we are back and we are in action again. So let's go. Let's go. Let's see these stocks moving. Still just the metals like X, CVX. I've noticed those stocks are still moving. Like CVX is still looking pretty damn good here. Oxy, not quite as good. CVX looks a lot better. Intraday anyways. AMD is actually back into the green by quite a bit. Keep your eyes on this one, guys. This one is really recovering up off the 72 support. Really not bad. Yeah, keep your eyes on this one. kind of like that. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. We also have QQQ almost right on 280, so huh. Thought that to be kind of cool. Caterpillar's moving up. We have Pfizer kind of running up too, up to like 48.80, up there around the top. Activision's moving up, which is pretty cool actually. Activision's doing great, guys. Check this out. They're doing fantastic. I don't know if it's the Call of Duty coming out or they're just doing good since earnings or what's going on, but hey, they are popping. Have you guys played the new Call of Duty at all yet? If you have, let me know. And trust me, I understand, you know, people don't have time for games. I'm just asking. Anytime you ask anybody something like that, they're like, no, I ain't got time for that. It's like, all right, I get it. You want to sound cool. It's like, I feel you. Trust me, I don't play a lot either. I'm like level 2, but I'm just asking. I don't know. Have you guys noticed? Everyone's always like that lately. I don't know. I've always noticed that. I don't know if it's like they're trying to sound good or what it is, but stuff like that makes me laugh now. It's kind of funny. See it all the time, especially in the Discord. Wells Fargo popping up 47.34, not looking bad. Yeah, these banks are looking pretty good. Wells Fargo, interesting. Let's see, General Motors. Actually, that looks pretty good. Same thing with Ford. Ford also looks pretty good too. Right around like 14.10, something like that. It's starting to kind of bounce back up a little bit more. Yeah, I guess 14.10 is really. It's kind of like what you're looking for there. FedEx is popping. Looking pretty good again today. Since open, Spy's actually not doing too bad. I mean, I know that we hit resistance earlier, but man, if we come back up here right now, that would be actually a pretty good recovery here. Right off support, pretty good recovery. Yeah, wouldn't be bad. Not the worst. Not the best, but not the worst. Not the best, but not the worst. 396.20 is just kind of like where we're sitting here. Got Palantir starting to climb back up. All right. Look at US Steel, 25.38, almost 25.40. Not bad. There we go. U.S. Steel is still going. How is this thing still on fire like this? Is there some news? Let's see. No news. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing any news regarding X, so a little confused here. Hey, Rohit says check out UPST. Keisha says Ali for sure, but let's check out Upstart. It's actually been a little while since I looked at this, and oh yeah, Upstart looks like downgrade. Man, what the hell? Jesus Christ. This thing's terrible. 1843, not overly bad, but like look at it on the 5 minute. $18.10 is a good support. It's just not my favorite. I mean, I don't like Upstart a lot myself, but I feel like that Upstart is decent. I like SoFi a lot better, but then again, SoFi is also extremely risky. I'm glad I didn't buy in on SoFi. I mean, man, these poor stocks are getting killed. I'd be careful with some of those growth stocks like that over the next couple months. Wow, IBM is on fire. Jeez, Keisha, how are these things still going? I'm asking myself the shit too. Is Ali running up too? Ali's bargain outlet. I've never heard of this one, but I mean I know that we've looked at the stock. Damn, Keisha, that's actually I remember we were looking at this a little while ago, and look at this trend line. It has been playing out perfectly on Ali. We've been seeing perfect bounces right off of this. Not bad, actually. Not bad by any means. Boeing, Bank of America. How's Kellogg's? All right, Kellogg's popping up. They've moved down a little bit with that recent earnings report, but they're trying to recover. Yeah, F does look like short-term upside Purdy. I was actually eyeing it up a little bit earlier. I had looked at it just momentarily. It also, to me, looks like a short-term uptrend as well. There's some resistance here right around 1410, and it's looking pretty good. You know, like we might try to go up and break that. I think it's looking solid, Purdy. Yeah, look not bad at all. Yeah, I think it looks pretty decent. You know, we go look at it on like a daily chart. It's been kind of stagnant this year, obviously, just like every other stock has been. It doesn't really look any worse or any better to me than anything else. Um, right now, I think I lean a little bit more towards the downside, but that setup is looking really good. So yeah, I actually do like that a lot. Yeah, I like it actually. It's pretty good. I think it's decent. Yeah, pretty decent anyways. I mean, all right. Yeah, F's not too bad. I mean, it is popping up a little bit, like $14.12. It's trying to pop. You know, that's they have to try, right? General Motors actually looks pretty good though intraday, almost better than Ford. But they do move in sympathy. It just happens to look a little bit better today. But Ford still looks pretty solid. $14.10. Hey Mike, thanks for joining up. Yeah, Mike Chang joining in says good morning everybody. How you doing, Mike? I hope you're having a swell day. I'm sitting here looking at these stocks today and I'm like, can you break out already? Like, it's like, geez, they need to get up a little bit. Need to move up. 396.57 now on the SPY. I mean, definitely not the best there. Palantir. Since the market's not doing much, should we like go Christmas shopping on Amazon? Should I order some presents on the stream? Would you guys enjoy that? Oh, oh gosh. Oh, Snapchat, no. Meta, no, Meta. How dare you? DraftKings. Hopefully these stocks can hold up here a little bit. We don't need these things to be coming down on us now. When is Congress gonna start changing their marijuana stuff? Like where's my news for Tilray? Like, are we gonna start moving back up? Like, whatever happened with this one? It hit resistance. Now we're just flying back down. Probably gonna go all the way back down to 3 or some bull crap before it goes back up. Watch. Here, we're gonna try and find some marijuana Congress news. Alright. Biden's gonna sign cannabis research bill. That's good. Now that midterms are over, they don't give a shit about marijuana now. Well, when's it going to be transferred to his desk? Hopefully they sign it soon. Oh wow, this is cool. So a Democrat from Nevada filed a new bill to allow state legal marijuana businesses to access certain federal SBA loans and services, just like companies in any industry. That's cool. Huh. Yeah, did you guys see that Trump said something about like he wished the death penalty on people who sell drugs? That was kind of weird. I remember seeing that the other day. I was like, what the hell happened there? Had me a little freaked out, actually. But hey, I appreciate you guys all joining up and liking the live stream and everything like that. I appreciate that. It's pretty cool to have to have stocks still doing okay at least here. We're not totally flat. We're getting some movement. I mean, Coinbase is up 6%. Look at Coinbase, guys. That was actually a really good break. Coinbase. Damn it, Home Depot. Wow, yeah, what a crazy breakout there with HD. That's an insane move. Wow. Let's see Coinbase again. That was a pretty insane breakout there on COIN. Not bad. 43.76. Let's see BTC USD. Bitcoin's doing better today. Yeah, Bitcoin's doing okay, up to 16,000. Not too bad. I mean, now it's man, this looks brutal, guys. I hate to say it, but it looks like this thing's gonna still fly down here. Looking tough. Really tough. Yeah, energy stocks are starting to do crazy good today. Let's see CCJ. That's looking pretty good. SPY. Okay, SPY. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're breaking 396. Let's get some nice momentum. You know, let's keep pushing up. Let's get Apple back up. Let's get Microsoft in the green. Hell, let's even get Tessie. Come on, Tessie. They're trying up to 170.76. That sounded weird. It's almost like the year the U.S. declared their independence. 1776. That's right. Sorry to all the Brits out there, but man, boy, am I glad that we won. Boy, am I glad. All right. Let's see. General Motors, $40.12. GameStop, GME, 25.67. Tesla, yeah, not bad there. Pfizer, PFE, RIVN. Everything's recovering now. Fantastic, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. DraftKings might even go green, even considering the bad news yesterday. Come on. That would be really nice if they could get green, but... Boeing. Come on, Boeing. Carrier. I know Hunter loves this one. Hunter likes good old Carrier. That's SPY. There we go. Look at that. 396, 397.28. Finally. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Are we going to break out ahead of the holidays? All right. Looks like SPY's at least going to come back up and retest this upper trend line on my daily chart here. This has been touched like 3 times now, so watch for another pushback up into this level. I think it can happen. Jesus, I have too many levels here. I need to like consolidate some of these things down, I think. Like you and you. There's so many. Guess I'll get this out of here now. We'll take that off. All right, not bad, not bad. You know, SPY's still bullish ever since we broke our little trend line. I've been talking about this trend line that I'm highlighting on the chart here tons and tons and tons of times lately. And you can see how right now, ever since we broke out, like right here where I'm circling, you can see that that's where we broke and that's where you're getting the bounces. Ever since we broke out right there, that we've just been holding and moving up ever so slowly. Now, is it really breaking or anything like that? No. But it is, you know, holding its ground and moving up since right then, which shows that that is probably a pretty big level, and 390 is going to be even bigger as a support down there. So really keep your eyes on 390, but it's great to see that the SPY's moving up. I mean, this is fantastic. We're getting some good movement coming in, and yeah, it's nice to see finally today. It was a very rough morning again. You know, SPY was up in pre-market, then in market open, and we kind of dipped back down. See, look at the QQQ. Like, we were up, flew down, now we're all the way back up. We'll take it. Not the best movement, but hey, we will take it. Yes, we will. FedEx, this going, Not really doing too much here. Again. How's MGM looking? Not too bad. Definitely on the downtrend. That's unfortunate. What about Roblox? Nope. I thought maybe Roblox would be doing better again. Maybe like ahead of like the holidays or something, you know, maybe parents are buying up a bunch of those like Roblox cards or, you know, or putting money on there, or I don't know. Figured it might be worth a shot. Man, X is just straight flying. 2485. Ever since that break right there, we've just been exploding. Let's go, X. All right. Fantastic. See Walmart again. They were moving good earlier. Yeah, they're trying. They're coming back a little bit. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, looks pretty good. Pretty good day. All right, let's go see good old Intel here. INTC's looking pretty good. One of my favorite ones today, actually, to watch. Good old Intel, not bad. Wow, some of these stocks are just going insane. Like CCL. Man, these recoveries are something else here today. Yeah, Coinbase is having a lot better of a day, but so is everything else. Sheesh, I mean, it's a crazy day out here today. AbbVie, ABBV, Pfizer, PFE. Oh man, I mean, it's just across the board. Tesla, Oracle, I mean, yeah, just everything. Almost everything. Good old Oracle. Wow, what a play. What a crazy play with Oracle there. I can't even believe Oracle's movement lately, guys. Look at Oracle on the daily chart. I mean, you guys are going to be blown away. I mean, it's just been straight up for like 40 days straight. It's kind of insane to even look at. Really, really is. Still have Home Depot doing okay. UPS looking pretty good. And none of these options ever have volume. It's like, come on, just get some volume. You don't necessarily have to have volume, but man, the spreads on a lot of these options today that I'm eyeing up are just so big, like FedEx, UPS, and everything. Of course, X has good options though. Look at X though, 25.75, still going, guys. I mean, we've been talking about X all morning here. If you have not liked the stream yet, smash the like button just for X. You know, X deserves it more than anything here. And look at Nvidia. This is a fantastic move too. Whoa, 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 whoa. I like this. I like it. I love it. I want more of it. I love that song, guys. If I could play that right now, I would play it for us, but oh, YouTube and their rules, you know. We're going to get banned if we play more crazy songs, more good songs. Hmm. God darn it. There we go. Sorry, guys. I was doing a premium play there. Hopefully, you guys aren't too mad at me. Oh, whoa. Yeah, not too bad. All right. Let's go back to that SPY real quick. Let's see it on the 5-minute. Yeah, it's starting to come back down a little bit intraday. A lot of these stocks starting to move up. Nvidia's having a great day, at least. I mean, that's a good sign. Pretty good, I guess, right? I guess you consider that good. What about Qualcomm here? Qualcomm's one of the big ones. See Las Vegas Sands. They're actually coming back up a lot intraday today. That means Win might be coming up too. Yeah, Win, guys. Check out WYNN. This play looks pretty solid on the daily chart. I really like this setup here with the trend line and everything. Man, this might be a good entry too. Hmm. It's a tough one. I like this one a lot though. I like this one a ton. Looking at all the options on Win. Yeah, the options are okay. I mean, there's some volume, which is good. Hell, there's more volume than there was on FedEx, at least. Like, none on that one. Yeah, Spy's looking pretty good. Nothing overly bad, nothing overly good, though, either. Come on, Chewy, they say. CHWY. Come on, Chewy. WBA Warner Bros. Had a pop, Keisha said. Or Walgreens, actually, is what I meant. Not Warner Bros. That's WBD. Yeah, WBA did have a nice pop. Walgreens Boot Alliance. I know Walgreens quite a bit. Hell, every time I get sick, where do I go? Walgreens. Honestly, I take my money out at ATMs at Walgreens too, because they don't charge me a fee. Little cheat code. Well, if you have Capital One, it's a cheat code, I guess. Keisha says Apple and Chewy. Chewy's not bad. Yeah, Mike said Chewy or Disney. Yeah, Mike said Disney as well, so interesting there. Chewy's got to come back. Man, that was a brutal pop down today, Keisha. What's happening? What's happening with Chewy? Insane. Spy's still looking good, though. I like it. We need Apple, we need Microsoft, we need Tesla. We need those three to have a little bit of recovery here. Yeah, is Elon betraying us? He keeps selling shares when he says he's not gonna, damn it. Making me mad. I don't mind. I'm not in Tesla stock, but I would like it to go up for the QQQ sake. But yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up today. It was a pretty good live stream. I mean, like low-key, you know, the market's very flat. We've been very stuck lately between 390 and 400. We're not really getting any big pushes up out of these ranges. It's made for a lot of choppy movement. While the market does pick direction maybe for a couple days, it's just we're not seeing any good breakouts, any good price action really, you know, not anything crazy. And you know, tomorrow's the last day of the week before, you know, Thursday comes in, then Friday's a half day. So be careful on Thursday and Friday, guys. Obviously the market's closed Thursday, but just remember that futures will be open. Let me see if I can get us the holiday hours here. Maybe I have them from Ninja Trader or something. Let's see. Ninja Trader. Let's see. I get way too many emails that contain the word ninja. Like, yeah, Ninja Trader. Let's see. Hmm. Let's Google the holiday hours. All right, let's see the CME group's numbers. Number one, here's CME group. Yeah, these guys always explain these in the worst possible way. Download the file to see the hours. Are you serious? I have to download this PDF file and I can't even open it with anything. .xls. Screw these people, man. This website blows. Yeah, here we go. All right, this is better. So here we go. Thanksgiving Day. See, it says Thursday, November 24th, but there's 3 stars, and you got to go read it. 3 stars. So they're also saying each market will close early at 1 p.m. on Friday, November 25th, 2022. So we gotta remember that as well. And the reason why you gotta remember this is because on Thursday, even though the market's closed, you're gonna see the markets open up Thursday night at like 5 p.m. for futures trading. You know, the futures market will open up eventually and trade. Uh, Obviously, it will trade. That night, Thursday night, heading into Friday morning, and then it will close at 1 p.m. Friday. So just keep that in mind. But that's pretty much how it's gonna work. It can get confusing because of those 3 stars being on there. So I kind of wanted to make sure I explained it for everybody just in case there is a little bit of confusion or something like that. But have a great rest of your day, guys. It was another choppy day in the market. Let's hope that we can maybe see a bigger uptrend maybe tomorrow or over the next couple days. But have a good one, guys. I will talk to you later, and I will be in the Discord as always. Thank you guys so much for being here.